right, I'm going to go ahead and ask Dr. Dukes to come back up, and for our final thing this afternoon, he's going to go over graduate student awards and then give us our closing remarks for the Landscape Summit.
So on the back of your agenda or right here, there is a code. If you're on Zoom, a QR code rather, if you're on Zoom, please go there and fill out the survey for us. It'll help us make this event even better next time. Although I can't imagine too many things to make it a whole lot better. But anyway, I'll get to that in a minute. Let's do the student awards. So I want to congratulate all the students. You all did a great job. I was very impressed with your presentations, and we just literally almost had to pull people out of the back to get them to come back to the meeting. So that speaks a lot to the interest in your projects, and you are the future of all this. So thank you. The winner of, oh, and by the way, so I'd like the winners to come up here. And for the winner in the master's and the PhD, we will transfer $1,000 to your major professor to support you in your program. So that could be travel funds, that could be a computer, that could be whatever. So for master's, Tegan Young was the winner. And her talk, if you don't remember her project, cutting propagation of four Florida native taxa of wild coffee, psycho something. Little psycho is what I remember, for ornamental use. So Tegan, congratulations. Where are we at on the camera? I think we're going to move over here. We're going to also give you a plant.
You had it ready. Yeah, your face was pretty floor on your head. Yeah, there you go.
All right. Congratulations. For the PhD category, we have Emily Taylor. And that is for alterations of dissolved organic material composition and its influence on ecosystem respiration.
Unless you want to.
We do have one honorable mention. Everybody likes a bonus, so we do have an honorable mention, and that is actually Casey Russo. Casey's actually an undergraduate student. And I think Basil said, hey, can Casey get in on the student poster competition? So we said, yeah. And her project was how many plants are in your yard, differences in how people perceive and manage lawn and non-lawn plant species affect patterns of urban plant diversity. So congratulations, Casey. Congrats. All right, so congrats to all the students. You all did a great job, and thanks for coming out. So the closing remarks, I have a lot of thank yous. You know, we never notice when things go right. You never notice. You get on an airplane, you get from point A to point B. You think, well, maybe the pilot did a good job. Maybe the attendant did a good job giving me my drink on time or whatever. But you don't think about the people who fuel up the plane, the engineers who built the plane, all these other little things. So it takes a lot of people to pull an event like this off. Let's see, where do I start? I have a big list here. So first of all, I want to thank the judges for the student poster competition. And those were AJ Lindsay, Stacy Greco, who we pulled in kind of last minute. Thank you, Stacy. Deirdre Irwin. Where's Deirdre? Is she still here? Maybe not. Oh. Okay. All right. Very good. Yeah, I know people have, it's been a long day and a half. Ryan Klein, Susan Haddock, Brian Unruh, Brooke Moffis, and Nick Taylor. So thank you all for judging the student poster competition. Next, I want to thank our moderators, Michelle Atkinson, who was on deck yesterday, Cynthia Leary Nazario, Tanya Ashworth, Tina McIntyre, Aaron Harlow. Thank you all. I kind of looked at the time just a little bit, but I think we were only like 5 minutes behind after a day and a half. So great job on all of you keeping us on time. And then, of course, our host of folks in Clue who made all this run as well. Emily, I suppose, is maybe the ringleader. I might be like just the attendant who speaks, but she's the ringleader, and I mean that in a very good way. She's responsible. She was responsible for the overall organization, emailing you many times, creating the survey, organizing the food, et cetera, et cetera. So Emily, thank you very much. Other folks, Jen, in no particular order, Jennifer Sykes, who was out at the front, making sure the coffee was there when it was supposed to be, very important. And other logistics, Jen Marvin also helped on registration at the front. I hope I get everybody, by the way. Claire, who organized the judges for the poster competition and collected all those scores. Thank you, Claire. And I know Claire did a number of other things too. Again, Caitlin, Madeline were our Zoom repeat question. Isn't that interesting how it was so hard for the speakers to remember to do that, no matter how many times we told you? I don't know. We need another mechanism, but y'all did great. And Melissa on the timekeeping, thank you. Group here in front. Wendy, thanks for just helping plan this whole event. You were responsible for the plants and all kinds of other things I'm probably forgetting to mention right now. So thank you, Wendy. Essen, she went shopping for us. We have a case of Diet Coke somewhere for Ben. So Ben, if you're online, we'll get it to you. That was bought with personal funds, not university funds. Let's see, who else? Did I forget anybody? I hope not. That'd be very embarrassing. Who, me? No, can't give myself credit. Anyway, I think that's it. So thank you to everybody who made this possible. Thank you all who came out and spoke and attended. And please fill the survey out. We've got a lot of ideas even from this event for next time, including maybe we'd like to get more industry participation. We might move the venue from here. I don't know. That's a mixed bag. So if you're a student or if you're a mentor to a student, let us know if that would, the reason we have it here is really for convenience for the most part for students and those of us who work here in town. So if moving it to Letcher County or Citra is a problem, please let us know because we don't want to do that if it's going to be an issue.